This dance is called Bloodline. It's a 56 count, full wall, improve a level line dance. Starting on our right foot, sugar foot. So it's ball, scuff, stomp. Repeat with the left, ball, scuff, stomp. That's your sugar foot. Ball, scuff, stomp step, otherwise known as toe, heel, stomp. So we do two of those. We're going to rock forward, rock to the side on the right, recover the weight on the left, cross shuffle. Right over left, cross, side, cross. So that section once more. Sugar foot off on the right. 7, 8. Ball, scuff, stomp. Ball, scuff, stomp. Side, rock, cross, shuffle. From here we're going to rock to the side again on the left. Side, rock, cross that left over the right. Little vine to our right. Side, behind, side, cross, side, a sailor quarter turn, sailor turn on the end. So that vine's a little bit syncopated. So from that cross shuffle, that last section again, off on that left. 7, 8, side, rock, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, sailor, turn. Let's put those two sections together. Sugar foot off on the right. 7, 8. Ball, scuff, stomp. Ball, scuff, stomp. Side, rock, cross, shuffle. Side, rock, cross. Side, behind, side, cross, side, sailor, turn. From here, walk forward, right, left. Mambo quarter turn. So we're going to walk forward on that right, recover the weight on the left and make a quarter turn. Now as you do, make sure your feet aren't too close together because you're going to walk that right foot in now. Heel, toe, hitch. Followed by a coaster step. A right footed coaster step. Okay. So that last section again, walking forward on the right. 7, 8. Walk, walk, mambo, turn, heel, toe, hitch, coaster, step. Let's add that to the top. Sugar foot off on the right. 7, 8. Ball, scuff, stomp. Ball, scuff, stomp. Side, rock, cross, shuffle. Side, rock, cross. Side, behind, side, cross, side, sailor, turn. Walk, walk, mambo, turn, heel, toe, hitch, coaster, step. Next section is slightly easier and a little bit slower. V-step. So we're stepping the left out, right diagonal, step the left back, bring the right beside the left. Repeat, we're going to put a quarter turn on it this time. So step the left out, right out, make a quarter turn with that left as you bring it back, make a further quarter turn and point the right to the side. So you should now be facing the back wall. So those V steps again. Off on that left. 7, 8. Out, out, in, close, out, turn, point. Remember, further quarter turn on that point. Now there will be some instances in the dance, once you've got used to it, you listen to the music and the artist will actually say, mind your business at that point when you're doing that point. At which time, you just tap your right index finger against your nose. So mind your business, okay? You might want to learn the dance and get used to the dance first, but it is there in the music. So, let's go up to that point from the top. Sugar foot, right foot leading. 7, 8. Ball, scuff, stomp. Ball, scuff, stomp. Side, rock, cross, shuffle. side, rock, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, sailor, turn, walk, walk, mambo, turn, heel, toe, hitch, coaster, step, out, out, in, close, out, out, turn, point. From here we're doing a little weave to our left, so cross, side, behind, side, cross. Then we're going to turn. We're going to step to the side first, make a quarter turn right, bring the feet together. So from that point, 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, turn, close, add some twists on, heels going left, toes left, heels left, twist, 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 just to end that section. So once you've done those twist, twist, twists, we're going into some step locks. Right foot leading. So we step, lock, step, step, lock, step. Forward rock back, and a coaster step. Okay, go from that point. So from the point, weaving to the left. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, turn, close, twist, twist, twist. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, forward rock, back, coaster, step. To finish the dance is a very easy section on the end. Walk forward, right, left, step, pivot, step, so you do a chase half turn, and repeat. Walk, walk, step, pivot, step. So you're pivoting a half. Nice and easy bit to finish with. So let's just try that last little section, walking forward on that right. 7, 8, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, walk, walk, step, pivot, step. Let's go from the point, weave to the left. 7, 8, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, turn, close, twist, twist, twist. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, forward rock, back, coaster, step, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, walk, walk, step, pivot, step. End of dance. Okay, I forgot to say at the beginning, 2 restarts in this dance. We'll come to those later. So let's put it all together. Sugar foot up on the right. 7, 8, ball scuff, stop, ball scuff, stop, side, rock, cross, shuffle, side, rock, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, sailor, turn, walk, walk, mambo, turn, heel, toe, hitch, coaster, step, out, out, in, close, out, out, turn, point, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, turn, close, twist, 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 step, lock, step, step, lock, step, forward rock, back, coaster, step, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, walk, walk, step, pivot, step. Okay, so let's go through it with counts. So the timing. I've tried to put it in with the dance as we've gone through it, but this will help solidify it. So off we go. Sugar foot off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so it's a 4-wall dance. Let's have a go at the other 3 walls, and then I'll tell you about those 2 little restarts. Right foot leading, sugar foot. 7, 8, ball scuff stomp, ball scuff stomp, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross, side behind side, cross, side, sailor turn, walk, walk, mambo turn, heel toe hitch, coaster step, out, out, in, close, out, out, turn, point, cross, side, behind side, cross, side turn, close, twist, 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 step, lock, step, step, lock, step, forward rock, back, coaster, step, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, ball scuff, stop, ball scuff, stop, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross, side behind side, cross, side, sailor turn, walk, walk, mambo turn, heel toe hitch, coaster step, out, out, in, close, out, out, turn, point, cross, side, behind side, cross, side turn, close, twist, 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 step, lock, step, step, lock, step, forward rock, back, coaster step, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, ball scuff, stop, ball scuff, stop, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross, side behind side, cross, side, turn, walk, mambo turn, heel toe hitch, coaster step, out, out, in, close, out, out, turn, point, cross, side, behind side, cross, side turn, close, twist, 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 step, lock, step, step, lock, step, forward rock, back, coaster, step, walk, walk, step, pivot, step, walk, walk, step, pivot, step. Now there are only 6 walls in this dance. The 2 restarts come on walls 4 and walls 5. And there is a little ending to do at the end of the dance, which is at the end of wall 6. So on wall 4, you will dance 48 counts, and then you will restart. On wall 5, you will dance 40 counts, and you will restart. So, wall 4, I believe, is probably this wall. So let's have a go. 48 count, it's virtually the whole wall. You get to your coaster step at the end before you do walk, walk, step, pivot, step, and you restart at that point. And then that'll take you into wall 5. So let's just do walls 4 and walls 5 so you can actually see where that restart point is. Off on the right, sugar foot. 7, 8, ball scuff, stomp, ball scuff, stomp, side rock, cross shuffle, side rock, cross, side behind side, cross, side, sailor turn, walk, walk, mambo turn, heel toe hitch, coaster step, out, out, in, close, out, out, turn, point, cross, side, behind side, cross, side, close, turn, twist, 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 step, lock, step, step, lock, step, forward rock, back, step, restart, ball scuff, stomp, ball scuff, stomp, side rock, cross, shuffle, side rock, cross, side behind side, cross, side, sailor turn, walk, walk, mambo turn, so hitch, coaster, step, out, out, in, close, out, turn, point, cross, side, behind side, cross, side, close, turn, twist, 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 count 40. There is a little tag, 2 steps forward, and then you start the dance again. So yeah, there is a little tag as well. Walk, walk, and then you restart the dance. Now when you get to the end of all 6, you'll do your walk, walk, step, pivot, step, walk, walk, step, pivot, step. You'll be facing the back wall by the time you finish that, I believe. So you effectively do a similar set of steps again. So you just go walk, walk, step, pivot, step, 3 walks, 2, 3, ends the dance. So that's your dance you walk through. 2 restarts and a tag. Wall 4, restart after 48. Wall 5, do the tag, walk, walk, restart after 40 counts. I'll shout them out when we get to it in the music, but let's give it a go. 6, 7, 8. Pause, stop, cross, shuffle, sidewalk, cross, side, cross, side, sailor turn, walk, walk, round turn, heel to hitch, coast to step, out, in, close, out, turn, pull, cross, side, counter, cross, side, twist, step up, step up, pull right back, coast to step, walk, walk, step, third I'm hanging on, she cradled wild. I grew up in grandma's house, living with what we don't talk about. Now I've grown, still don't know who I am, or where I'm gonna land. Don't wanna fall, don't wanna fall. If I slip one time, that's the end, because I'm daddy's ghost and mama's witness. Close your eyes and mind your business. Take the truth and twist it till it fits you like the news. Don't look down, whatever you do. We start. Down below. Today I walk a straight line, but tomorrow I don't know. Tag, walk, walk, restart. Don't wanna fall, don't wanna fall. If I slip one time, that's the end, because I'm daddy's ghost and mama's witness. Close your eyes and mind your business. Take the truth and twist it till it fits you like a noose. Walk in the bloodline. Walk in the bloodline. Step this. Well then, I hope you managed that one.